The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is no doubt one of the best feature-packed rugged 5G phones of 2025. It is Ulefone's first rugged phone with a DLP projector, a built-in projector, offering a versatile projection experience. Now, the key features of the projector includes a respectable 480p resolution and 150 lumens brightness, capable of projecting an image up to 100 inches. The projector boasts a practical 1.3:1 throw ratio and a significant ±40-degree keystone correction, allowing for flexible placement and adjustments to achieve a well-proportioned display. For entertainment, Widevine L1 support ensures high-quality streaming from popular platforms. Adding to its user-friendliness, a dedicated one-key projector button for instant activation and deactivation of the projector function. Now, this is the projector of the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro compared to that of the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. It's a brief comparison. And as regarding the top specs of the Armor 34 Pro, well, here they are. Adding to its outdoor readiness is a powerful 1200 lumen canopy light. Other features of the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro includes a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus IPS 120Hz display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Under the hood, it is powered by a Dimensity 7300 chipset paired with a generous 16GB of RAM and 512GB of onboard storage. It runs on Android 15, offering the latest software experience. Photography is a strong suit with a versatile triple rear camera setup led by a large 1-inch type 50MP sensor with dual pixel phase detection of the focus, followed by a 64MP night vision camera and a 50MP ultra wide angle lens with 4K video recording capabilities. For selfies, there's a 32MP front facing camera. One of its most impressive features is its colossal 25,500 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging and 10 watts reverse wired charging, guaranteeing extended usage and the ability to power other devices. Further enhancing its rugged appeal, the Armor 34 Pro includes a side-mounted fingerprint reader, IP68 and IP69 key compliant. The device is immersible up to 2 meters, and military-grade standard E10H certification for drops up to 1.5 meters. Connectivity options are comprehensive with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and so on. The Armor 34 Pro also features a USmart 2.0 port for connecting accessories such as an endoscope or rangefinder. The device also includes AI features including Google Gemini Assistant and intelligent call summaries. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, the Armor 34 Pro is literally one of the best 5G rugged phones of 2025. The device is also very affordable. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the video description and comments section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.